I'm Divya Vasudev. I co-run Conservation Initiatives, an NGO based in Northeast India. We are a group of dedicated conservationists who work by closely linking science and conservation action with a boots on the ground approach and in an inclusive and participatory manner. Northeast India is an immensely biodiverse area and it's home to the western hoolock gibbon, a species that is variously known in the local dialects as hoolock, holo, and huru because of its distinct call. In the past few decades, we have lost so much forest, so many of the forests that gibbons call their home. The remaining forests are fragmented and there is a lack of connectivity for this tree-loving arboreal species. And hunting in parts of their range have altogether led to a severe decline in gibbon numbers. But there are opportunities for conservation. People in this region have a very close link to gibbons, and there are a number of interesting folk tales and cultural traditions that link to gibbons. Some tribes, for instance, believe that the wisdom of their ancestors lies in the eyes of gibbons. In large parts of Northeast India, the forests that are home to gibbons or may be home to gibbons in the future is owned and managed by local communities. And it is in these areas that we focus much of our work. We work with communities and support them that have shown interest in conserving their forests and the wildlife and gibbons that live in their forests. We provide technical support, capacity building, a growing body of knowledge in science. We jointly hold awareness programs. We promote livelihood activities that are amenable to conserving forests and gibbons into the future. And we form links between the conservation of forests and gibbons and community well-being. And already there are results from these grassroots conservation movements. There are community-imposed hunting bans. There are calls to secure forests by communities, by local communities. There are initiatives for instance, ecotourism that is focused completely on gibbons. And there is an increasing awareness and increasing support for conserving this magnificent species and their forests. At Conservation Initiatives, we see our job as spurring this momentum such that gibbons can survive into the future.